Yeah, welcome back. In this video, I am going to explain and answer the question on what is the system program in Solana. So what is it, what does it do, and how is it being used? What's the usefulness of a system program in Solana, and why is it so important as an integral part of Solana? So we'll discuss that in this video. Welcome, dear friend. I'm Solomon Foske, founder of dProgramming University, a free Web3 development education platform. Please note our content are for education purpose only, not financial, trading, investment, programming or development advice into any of the platform discussed. Always do your own research. And please, we may get sponsorship, partnership, token or whatever form during, before or after creating this content, but we try as much as possible to remain unbiased and make it educative. If that agreed on, let's get right into this content. Yeah, when we talk about the system program, we need to understand something. Solana has different programs, and one of the most important is called native programs. So in one of the upcoming video, I will discuss more of those different types of programs that we have. But for now, we'll just touch on this native program, and you will soon know why that is important for what we want to discuss today, which is the system program. What the native program, just from that word native, those that are part of the Solana blockchain, or what programmer will call C-level of Solana, that has been tested, proven to work, and they are basically built to make some basic, usually general things easily done on Solana, compared to Ethereum, where some basic things like maybe minting NFT, minting token, you need to write everything yourself. You understand what I'm saying? You need to write out everything yourself. On Solana, Solana has program for majority of things you will likely want to do on Solana blockchain. So to give you like an head start. So there are a lot of core things on how to interact with the Solana blockchain itself, the C-level, and some other aspect of the blockchain that you won't need to bother about. You just think of interacting, like activating that particular program that I want to do what you want to do. Like you want to create a voting dApp, you want to create a kind of staking contract or staking program to handle a staking dApp and things like that. So that's what the native program. And one of the most popular native program in Solana is there are quite a few of them, but we are focusing on what is called the system program. So the system program, actually, like you already have idea now, that these are natively part of the Solana blockchain, and each of them do specific things. So the system program usually focus on being used to create new account, allocate account data, assign account to owing account, transfer from one account to the other. You understand what I'm saying? From system program and things like that, it handle also assigning which account we pay the fee. So some of those things that you have this doing, let me quickly list some of them out. Is, for example, you can have it for new accounts creation. So if you want to create a new account on Solana with your program, Solana program or something, you need to interact with this system program. So for example, if you are creating a new wallet in Phantom or Solflare or wherever, or inside your own Solana program or smart contract, you are actually behind the scene interacting with the system program, because anything that has to do with things like that, you will need it to do it. Another thing that it does is like allocation of space and data space. For example, Solana account has space because the blockchain is not an infinite resources. You understand? So these are actually stored on hardware across the world. So you don't have infinite space. To ensure it is not being abused, one of the way is there's a data allocation of Solana. So for you to get a data allocated to an account, a data program account, it has to be by this system program. So there are other things it does as well, like ownership. It can manage and assign account ownership. Yeah, so like I told you, there are different accounts on Solana, and in upcoming video we'll talk about Solana account model. So in my previous courses as well I've discussed, but we'll still talk more about it. So you should make sure you subscribe, tap notification bell if you don't want to miss it. And at the same time, if you find my videos helpful and the courses and content be done to help Web3 developers, both on Solana, EVM and more, then kindly use the donation link in the description to support. At the same time, share the video on your social media. And if you got any question about the video, comment it below to get support. So you can see it as well help you to assign ownership. That's why when you create an account, it's assigned to a specific account, wallet, that okay, this contract that was deployed is owned by this person. At the same time, is the one that ensure nobody else can just, because they have access to the address of your smart contract or your Solana program, they can just pick it and then update it, upgrade it, or do anything. No, it's the one that enforces that ownership management to ensure that any transaction to change data on that Solana program, if it is not from the wallet that has been assigned to be the owner, the address that has been assigned to be the owner that deployed it or assigned to manage it, then it should ignore. So it's a very, very essential program on Solana, and you have the understanding now that it's just one of the native programs on Solana. There are lots other ones that help make life a bit much easier to undo things compared to when you look at a lot of other EVM blockchain like Ethereum, that you have to build a lot of those core things out in your contract yourself. That's why you use things like OpenCepilin, because you want to deploy a smart contract on Ethereum, you have to add some other multiple contracts, import them like OpenCepilin and things like that. So instead of that, all these native programs already have those things on Solana, either on DevNet or some of them are on mainnet, and you can just interact with them without need to first import the old code and things like that. You just import their program address, and that's it. And the program address for this system program is this. So if you are dealing with any program, Solana program, and you see something like this, that is dealing, or you are checking Explorer, like maybe SourceScan, Solana FM, and things like that, and you see program ID like this, they're actually interacting with system program. So that's basically what the system program is about and what it does. And you can also go through the Solana documentation to learn more. which if I remember, I may add their link in the description. But if I don't, you can always ask in the comment to remind me. Because at times, during the video, by time, I will be, creating the description of the video. Because I do a lot of other videos, I would have forgotten that I needed to add this link to it. Even though at times I try to take some note to remind myself. So that's it. I remain Solomon Foske. And like, subscribe, tap notification bell, support with donation. Recommend this platform for content, technical content grant to create content to help developer of whichever protocol ecosystem, Solana or AVM that you have, to keep this project going. That's it. Always keep the programming spirit and alive. Your assurance to succeed as a developer, Web3 developer, and please always do good to humanity and nature with your programming skill and not evil, to make the world and universe a better place for us all. See you in the next video. Peace.